Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to talk about this amazing bronzer by Half Caked Double Dipper. It is primer infused. So this stuff goes on amazingly. It is supposed to blend with your pigment perfectly so that it doesn't look crazy and dramatic. You have your two colors here. You do not have any shimmer in it at all. This actually picks up the light and naturally highlights your skin, which is beautiful. It is cruelty-free, it is vegan, and it is also for sensitive skin, which is absolutely one of my favorite things because I have crazy sensitive skin. So it's really hard to find anything that works amazing. This powder, it goes on matte as well, and it is very butterfly soft, that it smoothly goes on and looks so natural. I absolutely love it. So you can use it any skin tone that you have. It'll blend perfectly onto your skin. This is one of my favorite things that I usually put on right after my powder so that I'm gonna get the natural highlights. It makes you look like you have just a tiny bit of a tan, but not dramatic. And like I said, it is primer infused. So it looks so natural on your skin that you will not even believe it until you try it. But that is just my point of view.